Some questions in your job are not that easy to answer at all. While we can explain the past well. Some new technologies may raise a few questions. But Festo Didactic has the answers. Industry 4.0 describes the networking and digitalization of industrial production. Modern internet-based communication technologies are merging with classic industrial processes to form so-called cyber-physical systems. Industry 4.0 stands primarily for individuality and flexibility in production, which, for example, allows batch size 1 to be priced the same as mass-produced goods. In the digital world, highly qualified and skilled workers will be required, and new competencies as well as technical know-how will be needed. Thanks to Festo Didactic and the CP Factory, this is no longer a problem. CP Factory is a unique cyber-physical research and training platform for Industry 4.0. It models all the elements of a real production plant. The CP Factory contains the latest key technologies and applications of mechatronics and automation in a networked industrial production system. CP Factory is a modular, flexible, and changeable model factory that can be quickly converted, expanded, and specially adapted to individual training content. Festo Didactic is considered an expert in the market for Industry 4.0 qualification. As a specialist for industrial automation and market leader in technical education, we stand for practical knowledge transfer. We drive digital production continuously forward through our research activities, as well as through active participation in committees like the Platform Industry 4.0. Knowledge transfer is increasingly important in Industry 4.0 because in the future, humans as decision makers will also stand at the forefront. Get ready for the next industrial revolution with the universal learning platform for Industry 4.0, the CP Factory from Festo Didactic.